Economic watchers like yours truly, when we see the data, we are surprised that in the last 2 years, India's CAD, yes, the dangerous figure, the current account deficit, has averaged just about less than 1%, 0.7, 0.8% of GDP, which is very low. Our surplus of imports above our exports has been very low. पिछले बार जब forex crisis हुआ था इंडिया का, that time our CAD was almost 3% plus. Now it's less than 1%. We have a healthy current account. Then why has the rupee collapsed this much in this short period of time? Of course, importers और exporters के hedging issues और उन्होंने जो हिसाब से exporters ने inflows slow किए, all these issues have compounded. But the major issue which has affected the rupee and caused it to weaken so dramatically has been the huge exodus on the capital account. India has always had a surplus in the capital account since the last many years. In fact, in the last year 25-26, it fell. It is yet a surplus, but it is a reduced surplus of about 0.5%, while in the preceding years it was above 2% capital account surplus, which net off the current account deficit used to keep the rupee healthy. So last year was the first time when we have had a CAD negative as well as a smaller capital account surplus. This being the case, the rupee was somewhat vulnerable, of course not like the old days, but जो market वाले हैं, people like me and including some luminaries like Shankar sir, they felt that अरे आपने इन FIIs को जिन्होंने more than 4 lakh crores each year पिछले 2 सालों में each year 4 lakh crores बेच के निकाला इस देश से, आपने उनको इतने आसानी से बेचने क्यों दिया? वेल, गलती हमारी नहीं है भाई साहब, द गलती इज ऑफ द सिप एंड द म्यूचुअल फंड. सही है, इन्वेस्टर्स, जो रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स ने, म्यूचुअल फंड्स ने प्रति महीने ऑलमोस्ट 30,000 करोड़ के ऊपर डालकर एनुअली 4 लाख करोड़ के ऊपर DIIs म्यूचुअल फंड्स को फंड किया. दैट इज द वेरी सेम मनी. जब FII बेचने गया स्टॉक, दाम गिरा नहीं. अगर FII जब बेचने जाए स्टॉक और दाम दबा के गिरे, when you are selling such huge amounts, 4 lakh crores per year, if you are selling such huge amounts and the money is, and you are able to extract your money because the price is not following, पीछे से खरीदारी आ रही है. आप डेली डेटा देखिए, FII बेचा, DII खरीदा, एक रेड एक ग्रीन, that चलते हुए we have facilitated the FII. Prices have not fallen when they have sold heavily. Large caps have stayed steady. They've not given returns, but they've not collapsed. We are the ones who have allowed the FIIs to sell whatever they were selling. We absorbed it. They took out all their money because of the booming AI trade. The AI trade is a giant suction pump running across the world besides American stocks, in Korean stocks. They were able to pull out lakhs of crores every quarter from our country. We kept buying. Prices never fell. वरना वो कुछ और बेचते, कोई और देश में बेचते जहां उनको प्रॉफिट बुक हो रहा था. यहाँ हमने उनको अलाउ किया अच्छे दामों पे बेचकर जाने, एंड वी हैव कंपाउंडेड दिस प्रॉब्लम. वो कम बेचते, हमारा कैपिटल अकाउंट सरप्लस बरकरार रहता, हमारा रूपी would have been much stronger today. So a function of this mutual fund सही है has been that Indian rupee सही नहीं है.